Hey guys, welcome to Tools in 2, where we create tool reviews in 2 minutes or less to help your buying decision. Today we're looking at this USB rechargeable camping fan. Cool little unit here. I did a review on a Clam unit a few weeks ago, and that was something that had a few different features that I didn't really like, and the fan was really noisy, so I ended up returning that and then ordering this unit. And compared to that Clam light, this is worlds better. I got this just off Amazon, just picked it up a few days ago, but I've had it out for several nights now in the ice house, and it works great. Super nice little unit. I've only had to charge it once so far. First couple features I like. It's got this clamp on it, and this is a really positive grip. You can see this base rotates, so it doesn't matter what orientation your pole is, you can get the fan where you want, and then this rotates as well. So super cool unit in that sense. So when we look at this, it's got a few different features. You can probably hear it a little bit there, but on 1 and 2, you don't really hear it too much. And then it's got this odd cycling mode where it goes from low to high. Not really sure the purpose of that, kind of like oscillation, but kind of just annoying in my book, so I'll use 1 or 2 for the most part. It does have a light on here as well. Again, 3 different brightness settings. Probably not going to show up on camera as well, but does work pretty well. It's got a fairly soft light. It's kind of a traditional cheap LED, but it does work there. You could do a sleep timer or something like that if that's going to help you at night. Camping, overall, I'd give it an 8 out of 10. The price is just a little high for how big this is. Again, not a super huge fan that doesn't move a ton of air, but inside a tent or a little ice house makes a huge difference.